everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on something super sweet, turning a pair of plain white kids' dress shoes into sparkling diamond-styled shoes. It's calm, creative, and just the kind of DIY that makes your space feel happy. If you love these cozy DIY moments, don't forget to subscribe and be part of our creative little corner. Let's start by adding the first layer of sparkle. Grab your diamond strip and glue it just above the sole, going all the way around the bottom edge of the shoe. Take your time and make sure each piece sits neatly in place. And of course, do this on both shoes so they match perfectly. Once it's done, that shimmer already makes such a difference. What colour diamonds would you try? Classic silver or something with a pop of colour? Tell me in the comments. Isn't it crazy how just one strip of diamonds can completely change the look of a plain shoe? It's such a small step, but it already gives that dreamy boutique sparkle. That's what I love about DIY. Little details that make everyday things feel special. And the best part is, you don't need to be perfect. The tiny imperfections actually make it feel handmade and full of heart. So take your time with this part. Maybe put on your favourite music and just enjoy the process. That's where the magic really happens. Now we're adding a strip around the top edge, or what's called the tongue area. This part gives your shoe that polished boutique finish. Press it gently into the glue and smooth it all the way around. You can already see how the sparkle catches the light. It's subtle but really pretty. If you're enjoying this, take a quick moment to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps the DIY vibes going. It's starting to come together now, right? That top edge really frames the whole shoe and gives it that polished sparkle. This is the part I love most, when you can already see the style taking shape. Next, we're gluing one more diamond strip down the center of the tongue. It's such a small detail, but it brings the whole design together. Make sure it's straight and even. That little line of sparkle ties everything in perfectly. Okay, look at how that center strip brings everything together. It really makes the shoe look finished, like something you'd find in a little boutique window. I love this stage because it's where the sparkle starts to balance out. Not too much, not too little. Just that perfect glow. It's those small details that make handmade projects feel so personal. Each tiny gem you place adds its own little bit of love. And honestly, the time you spend here is what makes it special. Slow, calm, and totally your vibe. Okay, now for the sweetest touch. Take one diamond piece and glue it right onto the bow. It's like the finishing sparkle, the one that catches your eye just right. You don't need much glue here, just enough to hold it snug. And honestly, this little detail changes the whole look. And here they are, both shoes finished and shining beautifully. Even from this one angle, you can see that soft sparkle wrapping all the way around. That's what I love about projects like this. You can make them totally your own. Switch the colours, use pearls, or add a touch of lace. Every version tells a different story. And that's what this channel is really about. Inspiring you to create your own sparkle, to take something simple and make it special. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, tap subscribe, give it a like, and check out my other DIY videos for more cozy creative projects. See you next time, and keep adding that little bit of sparkle to everything you make.